Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here in today's exclusive video. I am super excited to share with you proven, tried, and tested strategies, tips and tricks and hacks that will help you sell more books. Whether you're an indie author, whether you self-publish on Amazon, KDP, or any other platform, this video is for you. So let's dive in. So our first strategy is in-person sales. You've got to take it in your own hands. First off, in-person sales. So if you think online is the only place to sell books, think again. Going face-to-face with store owners or even managers, this can have a really huge impact on your sales. So take your book to local stores, take it to bookstores, gift shops, or even hospital gift shops. These places are always looking for new products. Prepare a one sheet with your book's description, wholesale prices, and preferably a QR code. You can easily create that on Canva Pro, and I have a tutorial linked in the description box below on how to create a QR code using Canva for free. Linked in the description box below. So make it easy for store owners, make it easy for yourself, and make it easy for everyone to get your book. Strategy number 2 is networking with friends and family. So I want you to pay close attention to your social network. Tap into that network. Ask your friends, ask your family, ask your colleagues if they know any store, any business that might want to carry your book. You'd be surprised how many connections can lead to new opportunities. So networking doesn't have to be forced. You let the conversation flow naturally, and you'll be amazed at what opportunities open up just by talking about your book. Strategy number 3 is to think outside the box. Think about unique locations. So don't limit yourself to just bookstores. Think outside the box. If your book is about nature, for example, try approaching nature places like nature centers, community houses, museum gift shops, zoos, for example. These places, these avenues are often looking for unique products, and your book might be the perfect fit as well. So approach them, show your book, and you could find yourself with a new sales outlet. Strategy number 4 is always be prepared. Carry books with you. So this is a really good pro tip here. So always have copies of your book with you. You never know when you run into someone who could help you sell your book. So whether it is a store owner or someone you meet in line at the coffee shop, you'll be always ready to take advantage of unexpected opportunities. Strategy number 5 is book readings and events. Now, book readings, these are a fantastic way to get in front of the audience and sell your book. Reach out to local libraries, schools, and even art galleries. Hosting reading gives you a really good chance to promote your book and make real connections with readers. So during readings, what I want you to do is, one strategy is you could offer free handouts like coloring pages or bookmarks with your QR code to your book's purchasing page as well. That would be a great idea. And it's also a great way for people to remember you and come back later to buy your book. Strategy number 6 is build a professional author website. Now let's talk about having an online presence. It's really important to have your website where people can learn more about you and about your book. We also have a service linked in the description box below where we can take you step by step on how to create your own website, or we can also do it for you as well. We can set up the website and then maintain it and manage it later on. These are all extra services that we can offer for you. But if you really want to take it in your own hands, there will also be step-by-step tutorial as well to access. So this adds a layer of professionalism and makes it easier for buyers in the future to find you and to purchase your book as well. So even if you don't get a ton of direct sales from your website, please don't be discouraged. It's basically a place where people can find more about you and your work. Plus, it really helps you to build credibility as an author. So strategy number 7 is social media strategy. And it might not directly lead to tons of sale at the beginning, but social media is really good for building an audience. You can start off by creating Instagram or a Facebook page for your book, and then you go ahead and post regularly, engage with your followers. You can use also hashtags like indie authors or hashtag I'm reading to reach new readers. And also don't forget to engage with your audience as well, because the more you connect, the more likely you will generate interest in your book. Number 8 is discounts and incentives. Now, people always love a really good deal. Offering discounts or even bundling your book with other items, what that really does is it can help to encourage other people to start buying. And if you're selling directly to a store, then maybe you could offer bulk discounts to sweeten the deal. Now, offer special promotions for holidays or even run giveaways to get people excited about your book. These incentives will help you to stand out and also boost your sales. Strategy number 9 is collaborating with other authors and businesses. Now, this is a really good way. It helps to expand your reach, so you can start by working with other local authors, partner with businesses to sell your book at their stores. Group book signings as well. This is a really great way to expose your book to a large audience. And these partnerships not only help sell your book, but they can also help inspire fresh marketing ideas and open new doors to new opportunities. So there you have it, some really solid strategies to help you sell more books, whether you're targeting local stores, engaging with readers in person, or even building an online presence. So really good strategies to help you with selling more books. So whether you're targeting local stores, engaging with readers in person, or building an online presence, the key here is to always stay consistent and proactive. Try out these methods and I'm sure that you will start to see results.